Hello, analysts and MIEs in the house. I quickly want to share something with you. I know a lot of time, one of the most common ways by which you work with your data is to have it downloaded, and then you do your cleaning, and then you go ahead and do your analysis, and then maybe do a little bit of visualization, right? And I really want to just say right now, it's not an efficient approach. And I'm just going to quickly show you a different way to do that, right? It's much more efficient when you have your data, when you're able to connect directly to your database, and then you can pull data directly from your database, and then you're working with it. And so you're able to also see your data in real time, right? As soon as your responses are coming in, or as soon as you're getting data from either the field or from your department, you can actually see what it's looking like from the back end. So let me share my screen with you so you can actually see what I mean. So right here I have a sample dashboard, and if you look at it, I have a total of 52 respondents, and it's actually responsive. If you take a look at these, you can see my filter based on any of the selection that I am making. Okay, and so here's the form that we're using for that particular dashboard. So I'm just going to randomly fill the form. I'm going to assume this is my age. I am male. I have a master's degree. My employment status, I'm self-employed. I have a laptop, and I use I don't know. Let me stick to WhatsApp here. And I'm just going to randomly fill all of these. Okay, and then I go ahead to submit the form. Now that I've submitted the form, I can now go ahead and let's review what my dashboard looks like again. So I'm just going to select any of these charts, come this way, and refresh my data. I just have to do it again. And now that I've refreshed it, it's reflecting a total number of 53, a total of 53 respondents, right? And then also all of the other new entries have been added to this particular date, and you can still see it is still very much responsive. So I believe this is a better way for you to actually handle data that is coming from a database, instead of you always downloading it and having to clean it and having to manually do all the cleaning and having to manually do all the cleaning all over again each time you need to do an analysis. It's much better to connect to that database and use it and clean it for your analysis. And remember, you can actually do this with any visualization tool: Excel, Looker Studio, Power BI, Tableau, and so on. Okay, so I'm going to share with you a link to this spreadsheet so that you can actually go through it, visualize it, see the visualization, sample it yourself, and see what it looks like. At the same time too, I will leave you a link to the Google form that we used, so you can also maybe add your entry to it and also sample, see if it's also recorded, if your entry is also recorded right there. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.